Wala naman akong viewers. Hello, save. Grabe. Kamusta? Sino ko magko-connect doon? Ko sure. Mhm. Mm. Mm. No. Ay, I'm sorry. Where are you guys from? Comment down below, guys. Come on. Sino ko mag-ano? Hindi ko alam yung alin. Hello, ang dami niyo na. Hello. Please follow me on my Bingo. It's Lears Artist. And Facebook, it's Lira Labosada. I have 4 accounts. One is hack from my modeling chapter trial, and second one is private for my family connections, and my other one is for my extra for artist call and talent extra and more collaboration. And the one is my real one. The one was very active. And my Twitter is Lears Nebre, and my Instagram is Lears Art, and my YouTube channel now is Lears Artist. Way back, I used Lear Labsada and Lear Molano. Dami, no? Hi sa inyo. Ang dami nyo na. Hello. Hindi ko naman alam anong gagawin ko dito sa TikTok na to. Gusto ko lang magkaroon ng mga additional followers and viewers. Naka-post din naman po. May page po ako for events. It's Lear's Artwork Events. Doon active ako pag event as Pintara. You can search it on Google. Pintara. Jahara, Lear's Artwork. Just use the number sign, hashtag, then write Pintara or Jahara or Lear's Artwork. Then you will see my skill set and my experiences and certification and portfolio and packages also on Lear's Artwork. Pwede nyo rin po kung supportahan sa travelers goals for tour guiding and traveling kasi gusto ko magala. I really love traveling. Thank you nga pala sa mga friends na sponsor ko minsan sa mga simpleng gala. Hello, magandang gabi. Ginaki. In fairness, Tagalog. Bakit di naman ito rin? Mantok na yata ako. Nasa Hala, okay ka lang? Grabe ka mo. Ang dami ko pang itutupi. Dito ko sa sa loft bed ko. Ayun, dami ko pang ayusin. Kasi, nagkalat ako. Nagkalat yung mga gamit ko pang face painting. Pang makeup. Ayan. Thank you, Talia's Cafe.